Number 3, we have z minus 3 all over z plus 6 equals to 4 over 7. So we want to first find the LCD. So we don't have anything that's the same, but we do have factors that are different. So our LCD, that should be plus. I put minus. Sorry about that. So our LCD is going to be 7 times z plus 6. That is our LCD. To find the restriction, we're going to take the LCD and we're going to set each factor equal to 0. We know 7 can never equal to 0, so 7 is gone. Z plus 6 is equal to 0, therefore z is negative 6. So what we're saying here is that z cannot be negative 6. We do not want that. We do not want negative 6 as a solution. So next, we're going to take the LCD and we're going to multiply it to both sides. We're going to transform this equation into where the body of the work is not written as a fraction. So left-hand side, the z plus 6 is divide out, and we're left with 7 times z minus 3 equals 2. Look at the right-hand side. The 7's divide out, and we have 4 times z plus 6. Distribute. We have 7z minus 21 is equal to 4z plus 24. And let's solve. We're going to subtract 4z to both sides. We have 3z minus 21 equals to 24. We're going to add 21 to both sides. We have 3z is equal to, what is that, 45? Yeah, 24 plus 21 is 45. And then our last step is to divide by 3. And we have z is equal to 15. So this is our solution. Z is equal to 15. It's not the restriction. We have a solution here. Our next example, number 4. 1 over x minus 4 minus 4 over x plus 3 is equal to negative 2 over x squared minus x minus 12. What do you think the LCD would be for this question? Remember, this trinomial, it will have to be factored, and the factors are here, x minus 4 and x plus 3. So that would be your LCD. Where we're going to set each factor, set that LCD to find the restriction, set both factors equal to 0, and then set each factor equal to 0, and solve. X minus 4 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 4, and then x plus 3 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to negative 3. So x cannot equal to 4, nor can it be equal to negative 3. If it is, then that solution is discarded. It's extraneous. We can't do anything else to that. So what we're going to do now is take the LCD and we're going to multiply it to every term so we can get rid of the denominator, so we can solve it and make the solving of this equation easy. So look at the first term. The x minus 4 is canceled out. Then you have 1 times, I'm going to write it out here, 1 times x plus 3 minus, look at the next term. The x plus 3's divide out. You have 4 times x minus 4 equals 2. Well, we know what this denominator is equal to. It is x minus 4 times x plus 3. So that's going to cancel out. That's going to divide into the LCD. And then we're left with the minus 2. And then let's distribute. We have x plus 3 minus 4x plus 16 is equal to negative 2. Combine like terms. We have negative 3x plus 19 is equal to negative 2. Solving for x, we're going to subtract 19 on both sides. We have negative 3x is equal to negative 21. Then we're going to divide by negative 3. And we have x is equal to positive 7. So this would be our answer. It's not a restriction, which we're fine with that. And we have a solution of 7.